If you want more content on Zorin OS, check out my videos in the Famous Cybergamers YouTube channel. First, we go to the store, extensions, and then inside extensions, choose FlatHub, press install, and that's it. So now go into the website, go to gnome extensions, then click on the link, add to Brave, add the extensions, then go inside the extensions and open it, click on this, and then close the old tabs. Now search for -2 duck. Once you've got it, go in, install. Now turn it off. Go back and search for Start Overlay. Inside Start Overlay in Application View, install it by toggling on. Now turn it off. Search for Logo Menu, and you'll see Logo Menu. Go inside, turn it on, install it, then turn it off. Once you're done, go into pling.com where all the gnome customization are. Search for macOS Catalina and go to the category for Plank. Then go inside macOS Catalina for Plank dock. Inside the files, search for Catalina BS White. You can do the others also, but we're gonna, for this video, we're gonna do white. So click on this and download it. Save it. That's it. If you want to install others, you can do it. So now we're going to search for macOS BS. Alright, then go to category and search for Plank. So now you'll see the macOS BS for Plank dock. Now go inside, go to the files and search for Mac M1 White. Now click on this button and download it just like before. Save it. Okay, so now let's search for Mac OS. Now here in the categories, select cursor and search for you just scroll down and search for Mac OS cursor right here. Mac OS cursor. Inside, click on the files and select the first macOS.tar. Download it just like before. Follow it. And now search for Mac Mojave. Go to category and select cursors, and here Mac Mojave cursors, and go into files. Then over here there's only one, so you just download this. And that's it. Then save it, and that's it. Now search for Big Sur. In the category, search for full icons theme, and here you click on Big Sur icon theme, go to files, go to bigsur.tar and download it. Save it. Now go to Whitesur GTK theme, then files, and select Whitesur Dark. Download it. And Whitesur Light. So it depends on you. Once we do the theme, you can choose either dark or white. So we can download this too. Don't worry, you can delete if you don't want it. So now we are going to go into the folder, go into downloads, and here I have segregated the icons and everything. So make sure you copy all your zip files into the correct icons so that we can easily track and put into the correct folder. So just follow here and put into this folder so we can segregate it. Now that you segregate it, go into the icons and you can double tap and it will auto extract. So inside this Big Sur, you can see another Big Sur, and here you can see macOS. Inside there's macOS also. So these two you will need to copy out. While if you see macmojave, you'll see here it's not macmojave, so it is, you don't need to do it, you don't need to take it out. But for macOS you need to copy out because it will not work if you don't. So what we're going to do is wait for your extraction to be done, then you create a new folder, name it icons if you want. Then in macOS you copy out, because if you don't copy out then it will not work. So you need to copy out the icons if it's the same name. So Big Sur also, it has the same name, so copy all out inside here. Then wait for it to finish so that you will not have some missing files or folder. Now you go to macmojave, you can just copy it since it doesn't have the same name. So now you've copied the entire thing. Then you go to downloads and go to Plank. In Plank you do the same thing, extract all, and here you can see there are nothing that has the same name. So you just go into the themes and extract it all out. So you can double check whether it has the same name or not. No, so it's okay to leave it like that. Now we are done. We'll go to home. Over here you click on the burger icon and show hidden files. Okay, now right click and new folder, put in .icons with an S and create another new folder which is called .themes with an S, and that's it. So now go to downloads and go to the themes and copy the folder that you have extracted into the home. Go to .themes and paste it there. Now go back to downloads. I go to icons here. Inside here the icons, copy all of this out. Inside home you go to .icons and paste it here. Wait for it to finish. Make sure there's no missing files or folders. So once it's done, that's it. So now we have already done the preparations. Now we're going to go to extensions. Inside these extensions, just turn on -2 dock. Okay, now we're going to go to Zorin appearance. Select number 4 in layout. Then go to themes, go to other tab and go to application, select Whitesur Light or dark. if you want. Okay, depends on what you like. Then inside these icons you can select Big Sur. It shows you the trash can to white. If you change to dark, the trash can is dark. So it's up to you. You know, there's something maybe dark or white. Then in cursor you can choose either your macOS or other selection. It's up to you. Then in shell you can choose also light, which changes the dock color. So now you see it changes it. Okay, now let's go to effects and select jelly mode. So now the window is now jelly. Now you can turn on desktop cube and spatial window switcher. It's up to you though if you want. It's just to make it more realistic. Turn off these icons on desktop because this is not Windows. We are not messy here. Okay, so now you can see in Windows you can choose to be a left or right hand title bar buttons. It's up to you. So now that you're done, we have this. And now you can turn on logo menu, which is at top left. You can see the logo of Apple. So now you go into the dash to dock, the 3 dots here, and you can see all of this customization here. You can follow as per default. If I have changed anything, you can see whether is there any changes to this customization. Right? So all of this should be the same. Okay, so if you've seen all are the same, then it's okay. Now over here you can turn it on or off. Use built-in theme, which makes your dock either opacity, you can put it to fixed, and it will change the transparency to this level. So now you can select start overlay, which allows your start button on your keyboard to press start in your start menu. So now you just right click and change background, and you can choose your Apple background. Right, now how to do it, if you don't know, then you go into the website, search for macOS wallpaper, choose and right click on it, save image as, save it. Just like Windows, you do the same thing, select and save image. So now you can see it is already like macOS. Now you can see that my mouse on top hovering, you can see the Mac cursor, then you can see the logo works. You can open about, and everything works as per macOS. So now if I go to launcher, and if you want to remove that show application, then you just turn it off and your dock will not show that button for start menu. Alright, so here you can see it is completed, but there is second version of the dock if you don't like it, and most of the time people will say, oh, it's not the same. So I've created a second version. It's a little bit more steps to it, but let's try it out. So go into the store, search for Synaptics, then you select Synaptic Package Manager, and here choose Zorin OS and install Synaptic Package Manager. This will allow you to install like the store. You just search and you just select, type in Plank. Then inside here you scroll down until you see Plank, install it, and that's it. This is how you do without coding. For apt get install, you just use this app and that's it. So now we'll go to the files and open new folder by right clicking it. Now you'll see in downloads, go to your Plank, and on the other window, go to home, go to share, then search for Plank. Select Plank. then go inside Teams. Now you just copy and paste these two, iMac M1 and the Catalina. Now go to Start menu and search for extensions. Then turn the dash to dock off. Now go and search for plank. That's it. So this is the plank here. Go into the plank and open the separators in the downloads folder. Then you need to drag any of this image onto the plank. So now you choose which separators you want, and that's it. So now at the corner of the dock, right click and click Preferences. Then here Teams, you can choose whichever you want. Okay, so if you like this theme, then you go to behavior and all should be the same. And docklets, if you want to show the trash shortcut on your dock, just double click and that's it. So now you'll have exactly, just drag the separators to the correct space. Alright, so comment below on which version you like. Famous Cyber signing out. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber signing out.